Alright, so if you're getting this error code on your PS5, usually when you're trying to download a game like Spider-Man, Call of Duty, or some random title, don't worry, I got you. Here's what you need to do. Step 1, head over to your downloads, find that failed game, and delete it. After that, don't grab it from your library, go straight to the PlayStation Store, search for the game there, and download it directly. A lot of times that fixes the issue. Step 2, if step 1 doesn't work. Delete the game again, then go into your settings, users and accounts. Restore licenses. Do that, then restart your console. After it boots back up, try downloading the game again. Most of the time, doing these steps clears the error and you can download without any problem. If it still keeps popping up, let me know down in the comments. I'll try to help you guys out. And hey, if this video helped, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future tips.